Have you ever felt like the world is just too loud? Like the weight of tomorrow is pressing down on your chest before today is even ended? We call it stress. We call it anxiety. But really, it's just the soul crying out for a moment of silence. We spend our lives running from deadlines, running from expectations, and most of all, running from ourselves. We build these walls of busyness to hide the fact that we are exhausted. We are drowning in a sea of what-ifs and should-haves. Stop, just for a second. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Your anxiety is a storyteller, but it's a liar. It tells you that the storm is permanent. It tells you that you are the only one struggling to stay afloat. But look around. Even the stars need the darkness to shine. Even the earth needs the rain to grow. Why do you think you are any different? You are not your mistakes. You are not your productivity. You are the stillness beneath the noise. You are the courage it took to get out of bed this morning. Life is not a race to be won. It is a symphony to be felt. The shadows are part of the art, but they are not the whole picture. You have survived every worst day of your life so far. Your track record is perfect. So let the stress fall away like autumn leaves. You don't have to carry it all. Not today. Not right now. Close your eyes. Find your center. The light isn't at the end of the tunnel. The light is within you. Peace is not the absence of the storm. It is the calm within it. Subscribe and turn on the bell to find your sanctuary in every video. You are not alone.